During this cold blast, you can have a little bit of fun.
Certainly. Meteorologist Mike Joyce is out on our patio this morning with some science experiments. And Mike, what are you doing right now?
Good morning, guys. It is a bone-chilling -2 degrees out here on the patio. We have our thermometer out here keeping track of those temperatures for you. And as Greg's been saying all morning long, the wind chill is about 18 to 20 degrees below zero. So I'm not staying out here very long, but I want to show you guys a couple experiments. But first, I want to talk about rock salt, road salt, and why it's not going to be working and why many communities aren't going to be using it this morning, just pushing some of this snow out of the way. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this on the ground here. We do have some snow that we had overnight, and we can look at it. It's not really doing much. And if you look at the graph that we're going to put on the air for you right now, rock salt is not very effective at all at these temperatures. We can melt about 46 pounds of ice with the same amount of salt at 30 degrees as we can do just 2 of those pounds at this temperature. So it is dangerously cold out here this morning and very ineffective in that regard. I also want to show you guys this banana that I put out here about 20 minutes ago. This was green about, again, 20 to 30 minutes ago. Now it's turning brown and yellow just because of the cold weather. And finally, this is a pretty cool experiment that I've never tried before, but that's why we call it an experiment, because we want to see what happens. I have a white t-shirt here and a bucket of water. I want to see how fast it takes this shirt to freeze, and I'm going to hang it here on the tree, and we're going to see how we can maybe shape the shirt and just kind of see almost like a ghost wearing a shirt out here in the courtyard in the back. So we're gonna dip that in the water. We'll keep that an eye on that here on ABC 22, but hop on over to Fox 45. I have more tips for you. We're going to show you how the viscosity of motor oil changes, and we're going to check up on this banana and measure some wind chills as well. Back to you guys. I'm heading inside.
Yeah, definitely head inside.
Yeah,
it is dangerously cold out there.
It is rough, and he's got a lot more things on tap for us later that involve bubbles and balloons and all kinds of stuff over on Fox 45. So flip over there and check that out. Again, we're having fun because we know how long we can stay outside and do this. These aren't things you should do yourselves.